in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, South Central Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, east central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lawrenceville, or near Trenton, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, South Brunswick, Ewing, Princeton, Highttown, Cranberry, Pennington, New Hope, Yardley, Hopewell, Rocky Hill, Washington Crossing, Princeton Meadows, Windsor, Kingston, Dayton, Plainsboro Center, Woodside, Edinburgh, and Kendall Park. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 8A, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 64 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex and Somerset, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.
Yay!
Bruh.
A severe